Okay guys, so when you come into trading, I'm going to ask one question. How long do you think it takes? It's a very simple question. Does it take 15 minutes? Watch a video? Does it take years? Who knows? You tell me in the comments and we'll see what a general consensus is. But I'll tell you where the videos come from today, or tonight rather. I've had a parcel delivered today and I know where it's from, okay? Because they give me a little bit of a heads up. And it's from the Fivers. And they're celebrating 10 years of the industry next week rather. And I've been there quite a while. So they said they're going to send me a little prize. So I don't know what it is, but we'll have a look in a moment. But it got me thinking. They've been around for 10 years. So how long does it take you to build a reputation in trading, and how long does it take a company to survive? Well, it used to always be about a 3-year cycle for industry. You know, first year you feed it, second year it feeds itself, and the third year it feeds you. So that's kind of a journey that a trader could take. You know, because your first year you're consuming all the information that's out there. Now that information is, you've got to understand the technicals, you've got to understand price action, you've got to understand yourself. Now once you've done that, what if you haven't got any money? You've got to build it up. So therefore that'll be your second year, building up to a sustainable point. And then in the third year, that sustainable point will pay you. That's kind of a hero's journey, if you like. Now some people can do it a lot quicker. You might do it in, say, a year, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 9 months, who knows? But what I'm driving at is, if you're putting the work in, you've got to also put the time in. Now, you can put a lot of work into it for a week. You're not going to get anywhere, but you can do the work. So, what is the journey? Well, the answer is I don't know. And why don't I know? Because we're all different. You know, we've all got different personality traits. But let's have a little look, see what actually this is. I am getting it all.
Yeah, you're all loving it.
All right.
What's it say?
Oh, it's black. Oh, I don't. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I was expecting like a little book or something like that. And I know I've been there a long time. I'm actually the Fivers' longest serving active trader.
Oh, excellent.
Full on. Okay. Now, anybody who's seen me on this channel has seen I stuck with them from day one. Now, that's part of the learning hero's journey that I'm talking about. Because if you're looking to trade and you're jumping from one system to the next, well, you're not going to get anywhere. But that's kind of the same with companies as well, which is why when you see me, I use the same companies all the time. I've got primary broker, I've got a secondary broker, and then I've got my prop. They're the accounts that you see. And I trade them all the time, through good, bad, and indifferent. Why do I do that? Because I trust them. And trust is a big thing. Now, you can't build the trust in the system you've got unless you put the time in. It's a bit like a marriage. Like me and the wild wonder here, who sort of looks into the distance and doesn't give a shit. You know, why? Because you trust me to look after it. Do I look after you?
You do, actually, yeah.
Do I?
Uh-huh.
Why is that then?
Well, you told me you do the looking after.
Well, you've got a couple of outstanding qualities that I like. But no, what I'm driving at is, say you've got a system. Doesn't matter what that system is. But you trust it. But then that system doesn't work for a short period of time. Do you throw it in the bin and think, this is crap? I'll look at something else. Well, no, you don't. You ride it through. Now, if I look at the fivers for an example, I mean, I've been there now 6-7 years. So I was there relatively early on in its infancy. And I fell into it by accident. So a little salute to Volker. And still about. And I'm pretty sure he'll be watching this. I remember in the group, in my group's infancy, he said, I want to try this. And I did my best to talk him out of it. But, adamant, went into the group, had a bit chat, said, okay, I'll get the T's and C's and I'll see what it's all about. Now, at the time, the FTMOs and sort of the blue FX or whatever the hell they were called, they were all, do your challenge in 30 days. 10% growth off a drawdown, but it wasn't 10% growth. It was a lot higher than 10% growth because you got to double and triple the drawdown. Now, all prop firms are like that. So I looked at it from a different point of view. I looked at it, well, if the account balance is buying power, the drawdown is the account, and then just take my time. And that's what you've seen over the years. Have I burst accounts? Of course I've burst accounts. It's a real difficult industry to be in. But every one that I've been in has had an excellent ROI. Now, what's ROI? Return on investment. So you pay your 70 quid or your 200 quid, whatever it is you're charged. As long as you get that back and then some, well, your return on investment is good. And that's the way I look at it. And I've never had an issue with them. They've always been good to me. And I've returned that by being loyal. But when you see me trade, that's the exact principle I take. I don't fall in love with trades. I have rule sets that get me in and get me out. I'm never greedy with trades, so I don't over profit, but I don't over lose either. And this keeps you in the game for a very, very long time. So you tell me, I'm actually quite pleased with that.
That's lovely. You'll have to find somewhere to put it.
No, it's going to live up there underneath Flash Gone. But what it means is if you're prepared to stay the course and you're going to go through it through thick and thin, you will survive. But if you chop and change and move from place to place all the time, you'll never survive. So there you go. Happy days. Longest serving trader, eh? Ooh. How good is that? So as always, guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.